Hey everyone, today, I've got something incredibly exciting for you. After comprehensive research, I have discovered the perfect trading platform for both beginners and experts. If you're passionate about trading, you'll want to stay until the end because I've got some fantastic news that will blow your mind. I will share that at the end. Let's dive into why GCB Exchange is the best trading platform for beginners and experts. First and foremost, GCB Exchange is highly secure. With over 30 security technical guarantees and more than 300 risk control strategies, your investments are in safe hands. Plus, a significant portion of users' funds is stored in offline cold storage, protecting them from online attacks. Futures trading is now live on GCB Exchange. Imagine making handsome profits by trading on futures, or earning extra money through their exclusive feature of inviting friends. Yes, you heard it right. GCB Exchange gives you the perfect opportunity to make significant profits while trading over 500 cryptocurrencies. Here, a map showing how you can generate profits by inviting friends and building a team. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Now, let's talk about some exclusive features and services offered by GCB Exchange. GCB Academy, this is the first Arab licensed academy from Turkey, specializing in crypto trading and blockchain. The certificates issued are accredited by the Turkish Ministry of Culture and will offer internationally recognized educational programs. GCPay, a revolutionary payment system that helps you save costs significantly. It will be accepted by worldwide by shops, stores, and commercial companies. Exchange Earn, start earning by simply holding your crypto assets. Upcoming features, keep an eye out for mystery boxes, fan tokens, and Exchange NFT. With Exchange Pay and Exchange Marketplace, you can reach more customers and transact in crypto with borderless payment technology. GCB Exchange welcomes everyone without discrimination, offering both classic and advanced options for all traders. You can also earn money by completing daily tasks in the task center. What I love most is the grid strategy. With AI, you can maximize your profits using advanced indicators, investment strategies, and copy trading features. By clicking on download, you can see its application is available for both Android and iOS users. Download any application you want and enjoy a much better trading experience than other platforms. To start trading, click on Sign Up and use my invitation code. The link to GCB Exchange is in the description below. Just add your email, create a strong password, agree to the terms, and complete the security verification. Check your email for the code, enter it, and you are in. Don't forget to verify your account, it's super fast on GCB Exchange. And now, the exciting news. GCB will soon launch the largest daily analysis and recommendations channel in the crypto field, free for all GCB customers. Featuring over 20 top analysts from around the world, you'll get comprehensive, expert analysis without any cost if you are GCB customer. Plus, a WhatsApp service will be available from where you can get comprehensive analysis free. So, what are you waiting for? Join GCB Exchange now and take a step towards becoming a successful trader, living your dream life. Click the link in the description, sign up, and start trading today. Let's achieve financial freedom together. Remember, GCB Exchange is the best trading platform for beginners and experts. See you there.